Hey guys, I see so many new faces here that I thought I would introduce myself again and tell you a little bit more about myself and Lash Blvd. My name is Karen Martis and I am the owner of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. I started my journey in the lash industry about 7 years ago. I started as a lash artist just applying eyelash extensions. From there, some friends were asking me if I could teach them how to do eyelash extensions. Then I founded Lash Blvd School. We're a school approved by the Department of Education. I also launched my brand of eyelash extension products where we supply lash artists with anything they need for the lash application. In the past 7 years, we have been able to accomplish so much, from helping beauty professionals get into the beauty industry, helping them make and build businesses where they're generating way over 6 figures. We have also been able to rebrand our line of products, making it better, bringing in new products into the industry. On a personal note, I am a Cancer. We are known for being extremely loyal. I want to say that I am also very positive. I can get myself out from being in a negative mood to just being upbeat and happy almost in an instant. 3 things that I love to do in my free time when I am not working is I love to mountain bike, I love the outdoors, love hiking, I love working out and doing CrossFit, so anything that keeps me active. During my downtime, let's say on a Sunday evening, I love to read, reading help books that help me in my personal life, my mindset, anything that will help me up-level my life. From Lash Blvd, you should expect content where you are not only learning about techniques and how to apply eyelash extensions, but also business. How do you grow your business? How do you scale? How do you go from doing services as a lash artist to teaching the technique that you love and that you know how to do very well, while also profiting from teaching others what you know. We're also thinking about coaching you on how to start your own lash brand. You know, I would love to find out more about you. Don't you send me a message and let me know what you're passionate about, what exactly do you do in the industry, and how I can be of help.